Hi, everybody. I'm Helen Panza, and I'm your instructor for Intro to Business, Business 105 here at Bryan University. We begin bright and early on June the 24th. That's a Monday. And we will be exploring all facets of business, from management to HR issues. We'll explore teamwork. Pick a topic. We'll be exploring it either through your book, through your Learnits, or through Yellow Dig, which is where we will explore topics that you won't find in your book. That's our social media platform for this class. We will be meeting 4 times in this class through a live Zoom meeting. Join me for our first meeting on Tuesday, June 25th at either 8 a.m. Pacific time or on the same day at, let's check the time, 6 p.m. Pacific time. So you have 2 options. We'll be meeting on June 25th, July 9th, July 23rd, and again on August 6th. At one of those 2 times, you have to adjust for your own time zone. Check announcements, check your Zoom meeting link in your course to get the exact link and the exact time of our meetings. It's really important in this class to stay organized. Find time to work on your Learnits every day, or at least 3 or 4 times a week. Get caught up. There are many assignments in this class. Don't get behind on assignments. They're hard to catch up on. The first assignment is due during week 1. Get organized and join me at our first live session. It's going to be a great 8 weeks together. Come with a growth mindset. Be ready to learn new things and know that you can do this. You've made a great decision to continue your education at Bryan University. I will see you on Tuesday, June 25th